我刚刚看到有些人，你们是很困是不是？但是都有摇在节奏上。好，没关系，这个快歌慢歌我们都有安排这样子。然后今天尽量的，我们也唱了国语歌，也唱了台语歌。然后其实我在这边比较不太会，我会多唱一些在电视台或者是平常商演比较不容易唱到的歌，这样子，因为那些歌就是大家上网看就好了。哪些歌？老歌啊，啊不嘞。今晚要唱晚安曲，大概是会等你呢。你现在唱晚安曲，大家会回家啦，好不好？而且我们没有准备这首歌单，没有，好。好，为了要把大家叫醒，我们接下来来唱一首快歌。这首快歌其实也有一段年纪了，然后这首也10年有了，超过10年了。这首歌当初最早是我在这里练的团。对，是我以为是7年哦，不是7考。当初最早是我在这边练的团，然后后来好像其他的歌手陆续有唱过这首歌，然后我很喜欢这个歌手，曾经在他的演唱会上面，当年的 keyboard 手是姚玲老师，因为他的演唱会他突然不能去，他把他的票送给我，而且是第7排，很近。对，不是。他那一天，他不是去弹 Jason Mraz 啦，他是刚好演唱会那一天，他有事，别的工作太忙了，对他去弹 Bruno Mars， 然后他就把他的票让给我这样子，然后让我能够一睹我的偶像的风采。这是 Jason Mraz I Am Yours。
It's just hot that I melted, fell right through the cracks. And now I'm trying to get back. Before the quarter run out, I'll be giving it my bestest. And nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn then to win some or learn some. But I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait, I'm yours. But open up your mind and see like me. Open up your place and dear, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing with just one big family. It's a God-forsaken right to be loved, love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait, I'm sure. There's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Don't you want you come on? Escuchando my closer deep. Now I need for your years. Spending way too long, checking my tongue in the mirror, bending over backwards just to try to see clearer. But my breath left out the glass, so I drew in your face and I laughed. I guess what I'm saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of validation. Just go with the season, it's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind, see like me. Open up your place and damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find the sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate, 'cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Baby, you best believe it,